walk near it or go over it.
That's scary. That's the temperature fluctuating.
Yeah.
So it hasn't done anything. It hasn't done anything like this, but
I asked it to walk
it
near
has changed the temperature. So that could just be a temperature change difference since it's starting to get darker.
I did ask
That
it
could
to
be what
walk
that
near
is.
it though.
To
or
walk
to
near
touch
it would do this though. That would create this if it came near it. The only thing that red is doing is fluctuation of temperature.
I mean like this though, like they could stand here technically and they are cold, so it could change like the temperature around
I get what
it.
you're saying, but if it walked by it, it should also set off the... See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's just got to come in contact anywhere with that antenna. When you come back down, make sure you bring it down with you.
Garden.
Is there anyone that can communicate with us? It's starting to get dark out here. We're at Crybaby Bridge in Smyrna, Delaware. We would like to communicate with you. We're going to have to be leaving shortly. It would be nice to be able to speak with you before we have to leave. We don't often get to come out here.
Terry. Closer.
Can you hear me? Can you see me? My name is Virgil. I mean you no harm or ill will. I just would like to communicate with you. Are you able to communicate with me? Are you able to talk with me? Are you able to communicate with me?
Amazing.
My name is Virgil. Can you say my name?
Hurting. Sit down.
Can I stand for a little bit?
want to ask again, but
I don't want you going down now that it's getting dark.
every time I
Under the bridge.
ask it to like touch the REM pod or like interact with everything, anything, it says why.
Jacket.
Can you say my name? My name is Arian. I will say, when I was over there, the thingy went up to 3. Yeah, and I had it like kind of like this, where they were like away from each other. I asked it to walk in front of here or to touch the REM pod, and it could take energy out of my phone or making it muted. And then it like yelled, it just yelled after I said that, and then just went up to 3. Trying to figure out where it is, because I think it moved away from there after I came near it with that.
And it won't answer you?
Well, I mean, every time I try to say something, it kind of like tries to weasel its way out of just
Telling you the answer.
yeah, instead of telling me the answer, it was like the complete opposite. If I ask it for something, it'll like ask me why, and then they'll just start communicating with each other, ignoring me. If I ask them something, like one person will answer, and then it'll become unaudible. Like I don't understand what else they're saying, and it's kind of weird. Like it's off the phone. They end up communicating with each other, I'd say.